Anjana is just coming. How fabulous is looking. Yeah.
He's saying all the best to me, guys. This is my October.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. और आज हम जा रहे हैं बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट जगह जो हम आपको आगे जाके दिखाएंगे. सो ऑलरेडी हम वहाँ आ चुके हैं वैसे. सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस इन न्यू बेल्ट रोड बैंगलोर. और अभी जो है हम लोग जा रहे हैं कॉर्पोरेट फैशन वीक के लिए, जो कि पार्टिसिपेट कर रही है रंजना. सो हाउ यू आर फीलिंग नाउ?
I'm feeling very excited.
और हमारा 1 और 2 राउंड हो चुका है. सो वी आर नाउ हैविंग लंच ब्रेक. और उसके बाद हम जाएंगे और आगे देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. सेलेक्ट हो या रिजेक्ट डजेंट मैटर, कॉन्फिडेंस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो वी शुड हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस और आप वहाँ जा सकते हैं. तो चलिए और फिनिश करते हैं. और वेयर एवर इट इज़ पॉसिबल आई विल जस्ट शूट एंड शो. सो कंटिन्यू द ब्लॉग.
I have all my jury members coming. All right, five contestants in one single row. I have you. Shorty one step forward, follow on stage. One with action. When you stay only. Right, it's all of you. Yeah. All right. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Don't be long. Thank you, contestants. You will get inside. Sorry.
Anjana is just coming. How fabulous is looking. Yeah.
He's saying all the best to me, guys. This is my October. Welcome again, guys. This is very important day for me because it is the corporate fashion week. I have participated because for me, whether I'm going to win or lose, it's not important. The best thing is to participate, and I know the wishes of my subscriber is with me. What say?
Yes.
Thank you all.
So guys, रंजना के लिए प्रे करिए और सब्सक्राइब और करते जाइए अगर
और enjoy
आपको
करिए।
ब्लॉग अच्छा लग रहा हो। सो प्ले फॉर रंजना और होप सी क्लियर द फर्स्ट आपको कौन सा
It's
राउंड है?
audition, Abhi, it's audition.
It's audition basically. So the but obvious the main thing is basically आपका confidence level. If you have a confidence level, you can आराम से
Beat
achieve.
anything.
नहीं भी किए तो ब्लॉग तो बन रहा है ना, आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
Evan, why don't you all clap your hands and make some noise for Evan? We've been there as a great support. So, really nice that you made it and you're really spending in time with your friends. I don't know what to label any relationship here as of now. So I don't really know. I have to drive back home safe. So well, that being said, contestant number 54. Judges, contestant number 54 on the queue. Hello man, what's your good name?
My name is Ranjana.
Ranjana, alright. So now it's time for Ranjana to impress you all with her words, beautiful words. She gets about 60 seconds. And now are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, the 60 seconds on my tag starts now.
Namaskar, Bangalore. Wonderful good afternoon to everyone. Welcome Theories and the beautiful member of the crew. My name is Ranjana. By profession, I'm from Bangalore. I'm really excited to participate in this event. I've also, participated in some of the events. I have hosted this North India. So the thing is that why I was excited, I really wanted to test myself where I'm standing. So whether I'm going to win or lose doesn't matter. But the main important thing is to participate, and that's why I'm here. Thank you so much. Wish you all the luck.
Thank you so much, Ranjana. Ranjana gets an opportunity to walk the ramp. Ma'am, you stand there, pose it, ready. Is my camera crew ready? Yeah. I'm going to be cueing some music on count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anjali, you did it really great as a banker.
How was your experience?
It was wonderful. I have enjoyed a lot. I already told you why I have participated, just to test myself and just to stand.
So guys, even I have enjoyed and I have supported myself because I have
supported me.
No, I have not supported you. You have chosen this venue, but you cannot select for anything for women. So she is only chosen this venue. I have just come along with her and I have enjoyed here. So guys, we have enjoyed so much. और रंजना भी बहुत खुश है. So we got this venue details in Instagram. This is called Corporate Fashion Week. और वहाँ पे आप जस्ट जाके एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. जीतेंगे तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो एंजॉय करिए.
Every experience adds a lot in our life and we learn a lot of things. So
Yes.
why to miss that?
सो होप अगर आपको ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा होगा तो लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और शेयर बिल्कुल करिए. और आपके कॉर्पोरेट में आप काम कर करके थक गए और आपको कुछ ब्रेक चाहिए, ऐसे कोई भी इवेंट होता है तो बिल्कुल पार्टिसिपेट करिए और एंजॉय करिए. बाय.